In this video, I will show you how to dropship on Shopify with DSers. Before we start, you can check the link to try DSers in the description below. First, create your Shopify account. Once you've created your account and your online store is ready, it doesn't matter if it's not customized yet, because that's not what we're focusing on here. The main goal is to understand how dropshipping works. Dropshipping is ideal for people who don't have products stored locally or don't want to hold inventory. For example, if your store already has sample products added by default, you can simply delete them so you can start from scratch. After removing those products, you'll return to the Home section of your Shopify dashboard. If you want to sell products you don't physically own and ship them directly from a supplier to your customers, you'll need a dropshipping app. The first thing you want to do is go to the Applications section in Shopify. From there, you can search for Shopify App Store. Inside the App Store, search for the dropshipping app you want to use. If that specific app isn't available in your country, there are several alternatives that work in a very similar way. The most important thing is to choose an app that offers a free plan, so you don't have to pay up front. Once you've found the app you want, add it to your store. Shopify will ask for authorization so the app can access and manage products in your store. After installation, you'll be redirected to the app's dashboard. From there, you'll need to create an account and select a plan. Choose the basic free plan to get started. The next step is linking your supplier account, which usually works through AliExpress. You'll need an AliExpress account so you can import products directly into the app and then push them to your Shopify store. After signing in, grant authorization so the app can access AliExpress and sync products properly. Once everything is connected successfully, you can move on to the creative part, which is finding products to sell. The platform may offer tutorials or guided options, but you can skip those and go straight to searching for products. You can use the keyword search to look for items you're interested in selling. For example, you can search for a specific product type and browse through the available options. When you find a product you like, you can add it to your import list. If you're not sure what to sell, there are built-in options that show winning products based on your country or products with high profit potential. These sections can help you choose items that are already performing well. Once you've selected your products, go to your import list. From there, you can edit each product before adding it to your store. You can change the product title, adjust descriptions, review images, and check available stock. You can also review shipping details and make edits if needed. When you're done, save your changes. If you don't want to make any edits, you can simply select the product and push it directly to Shopify. Make sure the correct publishing options are enabled so the products appear in your online store. Once pushed, the products will be automatically added to your store. In some cases, a product may fail to import due to having too many variants or other limitations. If that happens, you can either edit the product to fix the issue or delete it and choose another one. After the successful import, go to your Shopify products section. You'll see the products that were added and marked as active. From there, you can organize them into collections by selecting the products, choosing more actions, and adding them to a collection. Once that's done, you can go to your online store to preview how the products look and start customizing your store's design. At this point, you're ready to continue working on your dropshipping store. You can import more products, edit product information as much as you want, and adjust pricing based on your strategy. For example, you can change the price from a lower cost to a higher selling price depending on your profit goals. Everything is fully customizable. And that's it. Don't forget to check the link to try DSers in the description below.